Howdy everyone. Today in this video, you will learn two quick methods how you can attach an email while forwarding. So it is very simple. You can simply click on your inbox, select your email, and if you want to forward this email as an attachment, what you have to do is to simply select it, and on the response section, you have to click this option, more response actions, and you will get an option forward as attachment. As soon as you click here, you will see the mail will be opened in a separate window and the original message is automatically attached as an attachment. It's a very simple method, but in this case there is only one problem. Every time you want to send or forward an email and you want the original message to be attached as an attachment, you have to repeat this method every time. There is also one method, which is my second method, to set up this adjustment permanently. So from the next time, whenever you forward an email, that email will be automatically attached with that email as an attachment. So simply go to the File tab, click on Options. Here, select Mail from the left navigation section. Now from the right section, scroll a little bit, and in the Response and Forward section, you will see there is an option when forwarding a message. By default, or in normal scenario, include original message text is already selected. That means when you click on the forward button, the original message will be on your message board as an message text. You can see the image also, but you have to change it to attach original message. Select it, simply hit OK. Now from now onwards, whenever you select any email and simply hit forward, you will see your original message is automatically attached as an attachment. There is quick keyboard shortcut also. Simply click Alt, then click H, then ME, then F. That will automatically open that email in a separate window and the email is attached as an attachment. But this keyboard shortcut is very lengthy and very difficult to remember. So there is a quick bonus tip I will show you. You can also add this feature in a quick access toolbar. So simply again go to the response section, click right mouse button, and you will see an option Add to quick access toolbar. Click here and the icon of more response action is added in the quick access toolbar. Now the benefit of this, from the next time you don't have to use that lengthy keyboard shortcut. You can simply use a quick shortcut to apply this feature. Simply hit Alt and you will see a numeric value above the feature. So which is 9 in my case. Maybe in your case the numeric value is different, so you have to press that number. In my case I simply hit 9 and see forward as an attachment is open, simply hit F. So I only have to use 3 keys to open the window, which is quite simple and easy to remember as compared to that very lengthy keyboard shortcut. These are quick 2 methods you can use to attach an original message as an attachment while forwarding your email message. If your problem is solved, please like this video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I cover. Thank you and have a nice day.